Attention WhatsApp users. You can now create your own memes directly in your WhatsApp chats. No more searching for the perfect meme. Try it out and share the fun with your friends. Are you frustrated because anyone can add you to any WhatsApp group, even if you don't know them? Stop receiving daily messages from unknown groups and protect yourself from online group scams. Use this trick so that no one can add you to WhatsApp groups. Simply follow these steps. Once you've completed them, if anyone tries to add you to a group, they'll receive a notification that they couldn't add you. Attention WhatsApp users. You can now call Meta AI into your chats and groups. Whether you're in the middle of a group discussion or chatting one-on-one, you can call upon Meta AI at any time. It's there to assist you with tasks, answer your questions, or simply engage in conversation. Attention WhatsApp users. A new feature is here. You can now send short video messages to your friends and family. You can record up to 60 seconds of video. Perfect for announcing parties, showing off new products, or just sharing life updates. You don't need to save someone's number to chat or call them on WhatsApp. Just open your chat window and send the number to yourself. When you tap on the number, you'll see options for texting and calling. This is a great trick if you don't want to add a random person's number to your contacts.